Hello, bonjour. I don't know a better way to make my heart sing than by enjoying a delectable dessert. And that's what we're doing today. I'm teaching you my Lucuma Parfait, which will uplift your heart and your soul. And bonus, every single ingredient are excellent for your cardiovascular health. Let's make the magic happen. Ready to dive in? So we start with 60 grams of walnuts. We add 40 grams of desiccated coconut. It doesn't have any apple juice added to it, which is much better. And then we add 24 grams of the dates, medjool dates. Oh, there you go. And then we process until it's a crumble. There. So you just need to have it broken up in pieces, but not too much so that it becomes like a dough. So I have 4 little bowls on my scale. I put everything to 0, and I will put 16 grams of crumble in each of the little dish here. So 16, 32, 48, and 64. The next step, we make the banana cream. So we start with bananas, then we need the date syrup, and then we need cashews. There we go. So bananas, we need to have 150 grams. There we go. 150. Then we need the date syrup, and we need to have 16 grams of date syrup. So 166. There we are, perfect. And we need cashews, 40 grams of cashews. There. Excellent. And we blend. And here we are. Excellent. Beautiful and creamy, as you can see. And now we bring our dishes back here. On the scale, 0 the scale, and each will have 50 grams of the banana cream. There we go. And then we go to 100, 150, and 200. I'll use my little knife here. I show you that little trick in other desserts before, right? To spread the banana cream, because I don't want to go up the side of the dish, I use the chopstick to move it around. And then we had a little bit more of the crumble. So we put the scale to 0 again, and we add 15. I did 16 at first. It's 15 actually. So 15 grams. I'll do 14 because I might be short. So 28 plus 14 is 42, and then 56. And you just move it around to cover the banana, to level it a little bit. And then we do the other layer. So the next step, the next layer is the raspberry jam. So you'll have a recipe for raspberry jam at the same time, which is awesome. It's a delicious and healthy one. We use 100 grams of raspberries, and my raspberries were frozen. So make sure that if you use frozen raspberry, that they're thaw, completely thaw. They really need to be. And then we add 40 grams of dates, so 140. Here we are, and we blend. Excellent. Let's see. Oh, yeah. All the dates are perfectly pulverized. It has to be creamy. We bring our dishes again. We 0 the scale. And this time, we're doing 32 grams per dish. So I'll do 30, 60, 90, 120, I did 30 to be on the safe side. So now the excess here, I will just divide it up between the 4 dishes. And we use our chopstick again. And you move it around and you can see the color. Oh yeah, you can see the color, right? So that's why it's important that you move it around but not up the side so that it shows the layer, but it doesn't make the dish dirty looking. And then the last layer is coming up. And for the last layer, we need the date paste, water, cashews, and lucuma, and the sea moss. So let's do it. 40 grams of the date paste, so 40. 30 grams of water, so that brings us to 70. 45 grams of cashews, so 115. And we blend. Excellent. We blend all those ingredients first, because if you were to add the lucuma powder right at the same time, it would steal the moisture that is necessary to make the ingredients all creamy. So that's why we add it after. 16 grams of the lucuma powder. Lucuma is a fruit from Peru. It comes here, I live in Canada, so we have it here in a powder form. It's not available fresh, but it's delicious in a powder form. It's hard to explain the flavor. It's special flavor. You have to have it. It's so good. And for this one is 30 grams, so I'll do a little less. I'll do 28, just to be on the safe side. Zero the scale, 28. Let's see. I've got 30 there. 56 there, so I'm catching back up. 76, not too bad. And the last one, 104. Same thing again, we take our chopstick and we move it around to cover up the raspberries as much as possible. It's easier if there would be more of that cream. But again, for me, what it is I look at what is the result in the end of the amount of calories that you get. We're enjoying a dessert, but still, we don't want 1,000 calories in our desserts, right? So that's why I reduced it as much as possible. And here, some little touch to finish, to decorate the dish, then that helps with filling up the space that maybe you couldn't finish or cover completely. So you can add some little, this is the mint, of course, the little mint leaves. They always go so nicely in a dessert. And then here I have some beautiful raspberries. It could be blueberries as well. So you can complete the dish that way. There you are. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? So pretty and so delicious and good for your heart. Isn't it the best? So you really, and that's what it is, right? You know that when you eat something that really gives that signal to the dopamine and the serotonin, and then you get, happy, happy mood. But it's good for your heart at the same time. So there's everything to enjoy. Love food that loves you back. See you in the next one.